Hey everyone, welcome to Nursism. I am Maddie, a registered nurse and a passionate educator. My department is obstetric and gynecological nursing. Are you a nursing student aspiring to be a registered nurse and looking to advance your career? Then this channel is for you. Here we'll be diving deep into various nursing topics, preparations from core concepts, clinical skills to exam prep, and navigating on your nursing journey. Whether you are just starting out or looking to refresh your knowledge, I'm here to make your nursing education engaging and informative. Get ready to learn and ask questions, and let's support each other on this incredible path. So hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification so you'll never miss a video, and let's embark on this nursing adventure together.